Are you ready to transform your communication using powerful and positive language? Discover how the words you choose can boost confidence and inspire those around you. Let's explore how to make every conversation impactful and uplifting. The language we use doesn't just convey information, it shapes how others perceive us and how they feel. Powerful and positive language can inspire, motivate, and build trust, making your communication far more effective. Powerful language is clear, direct, and confident. It uses action-oriented words that encourage progress and show certainty, helping your message stand out and be remembered. Positive language focuses on solutions and possibilities rather than problems. It encourages, uplifts, and helps create a supportive atmosphere, avoiding negative words or phrases. Notice the difference. "I think we could try" sounds uncertain, while "let's move forward with" is decisive and confident. Choosing powerful words makes your intentions clear. Instead of shutting down ideas with negative language, use positive language to encourage problem solving and maintain a constructive tone. Replace negative words like can't or never with positive alternatives. This shift opens up possibilities and keeps conversations productive. Using words like can and will shows confidence and commitment, making others more likely to trust and follow your lead. Encouraging phrases show appreciation and support, making people feel valued and motivating them to contribute more. Appreciation and support boost motivation and value, encouraging contributions from individuals. When giving feedback, frame it positively. Focus on how someone can improve, use, and, instead of but, and always highlight their strengths. Opportunities. Reframe your language to see problems as challenges or opportunities. This mindset encourages creative thinking and resilience. Powerful and positive language strengthens relationships by building trust, reducing misunderstandings, and encouraging teamwork. Practice turning negative statements into positive ones. This simple exercise can change your mindset and the way others respond to you. Filler words weaken your message. Try to eliminate them and speak with intention for a more powerful impact. Unity in language, inclusive language, like using we and us, promotes unity and teamwork, making everyone feel involved and valued. Language matters. Tailor your language to your audience. Adjust your tone and word choice to match their background and level of understanding for better connection. Match their understanding. Incorporate power words like achieve, create, and empower into your daily conversations to inspire action and confidence. Pair your powerful and positive words with supportive body language. Smile, maintain eye contact, and use open gestures to reinforce your message. Like any skill, using powerful and positive language takes practice. Reflect on your conversations, seek feedback, and keep improving. To sum up, choose clear, confident, and positive words. Avoid negativity and fillers, and always adapt your language to your audience. Start by identifying any negative phrases you use. Replace them with positive alternatives and practice in your daily conversations to see real results.